Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Clutch the Bald Eagle. So let's get started. To draw this FIFA 2026 World Cup mascot, let's first start by drawing the beak. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw a curve right in the center for our eagle. So let's start with this nice round curve and then we're going to bring it down. So as we come down, we're going to slightly give it a curve and an angle. So just kind of bring it out a little bit. All right, there. Now we're going to keep coming out just slightly. And same thing here. And just getting ready to curve around. So let's say about this much, and then I'm going to start to curve. Nice big curve because we want to put in some big eyes in there. So about right there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. About right here. Same height and same curve. So let's say about this much. About right there. So we're just creating this boom. So if you're more comfortable, you can draw this way first and then go up and around. But I like to start in the center just so everything is nice and even. Okay, so then from there we're going to thicken this up. So let's come right here and bring it down. And same thing here. Thicken it up. And then we're going to bring it down towards the center. So I'm going to curve this. Same thing here. Curve. And then I'm going to find my center, which is about right here. And I'm going to bring it down to say about right here. Kind of go down about there. And I'm going to connect this to bring this, and we're going to go all the way down to our point. Get a slight curve. And same thing here. There. So we've created this shape. Then from there, we're going to come back up into this. Actually, you know what? Let's do that later. Let's draw the eyes first. Okay, let's come back into this groove that we've made, and we're going to put in a circle inside. So just go ahead and draw this nice big circle. Just fit it right in here. About right there. And then we're going to come inside and draw another circle. There. And then we're going to put in a highlight right about here. And then at the bottom, I'm going to put in a curve. So it's kind of like my draw so cute eyes, but not really. I'm just going to put in this little moon shape, just like my draw so cute eyes, so that you can put in some color for the eyes and then shade everything else in. There. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side. Right about here, we're going to start and create this circle. So I just want to make sure my eyes are about the same height. There, and then one more circle inside. Just like the other side. And once again, the highlight. And this little curve at the bottom. There. Okay. So we have the eyes in finally. It's a little trickier for me to draw because I'm drawing pretty big. So then from there, let's go ahead and over the eye, say about right here, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve right over it. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Right over the eye. There. And then we need to very subtly, we're going to give some definition to our beak. So right about here where this curve is, I'm going to come right here and just put in this little hook. And then I'm going to bring this curve lightly all the way down into that space that we've created for the beak, the bottom. And so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just draw this little hook. And bring it in. So it's kind of at a curve, it's not straight. And into this space. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw the bottom of the beak. So right about here, I'm just going to put in a curve. Almost forgot about this. Going across and back up to about right there. There. Okay, so now that that is all done, we can go ahead and draw the head shape. So right in this area, how everything's kind of at this slant, I'm going to come right out here, and right next to it I'm going to put in this slight angle line. So same thing here. That's why everything is just kind of at this angle, because right here we need to put in this angle line for the head, and then we can go up and round it off. So I'm going to, not too high, I'm going to say about right here. It's about my center approximately, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring it down to the other side. There. Okay, so it's starting to look like an eagle, right? Pretty cool. And then from there, let's draw in the bottom. So we're going to come out and about here, let's bring it in, and then we need to draw some these feathers, kind of like this beard that we need to draw. So I'm going to come right about here and drag this across. They're approximately the same on both sides, and then bring it in. And once again, just like the other side, just bring in this curve. And we're going to start to, it's a little bit easier. We're going to go up and then down. So we're kind of slanting down, because our goal right now is to keep coming down. So I'm going to find my center again. I'm going to come down to say about right here. And come in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just follow what you did on the other side. It's a little bit easier because now you can kind of see, and go up. You can see what you did and have something to follow. Okay, there. So just back and forth. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and I'm going to just come in here and lightly just draw, kind of like following what we drew on the outside, just to give it some more detail. So curve, and then we're going to curve around. There. So same thing on the other side. So curve. And in. Just so when you're coloring, there's some details. Okay, so then let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to center it. So I'm going to say about right here underneath this notch right here. I'm going to go ahead and skip a little bit of space. And same thing here, both sides. And I'm going to bring in an angle line on both sides. Then we're going to kind of bring it down a little bit more. Say about right here, and connect it for the top. Then since we're down here, let's come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw these little pair of shorts. So let's come back right about here in the center. I'm just going to draw a slight line and 2 angle lines and connect. There, a small little pair of shorts. And then for the legs, let's come out right about here, and I'm going to connect it, cut it off, and we're going to draw the shoes. So let's come out at a slight angle, and this side's going to be a little bit straighter, and then curve in, and then this part right about here is going to pop out, curve, and connect. So it's as if you're drawing this really big boot. And then right here, just a little curve for the socks. And then come right here where it starts to curve. And put in this line and then bring it in with a curve. And then right here, the shape for some details. And a curve down here. And of course, we need to put in maybe just 3 of these cleats, right, for the soccer shoes. So same exact thing over here. So slightly wider towards the bottom, and then once again same thing, round it off, give it a little angle about right here, then pop it out with a curve and connect. And the details, right there. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the sleeves. So on this side, I'm just going to come right here, round it off like a little shoulder, bring in the sleeves. And let's see, this one we're going to have it on the hip, right? So it's going to bend the wings. So we're going to curve right here, and then use this shape right here of the body to finish it off. And so let's thicken it up. And then right about here. So let's go here. We're going to curve, another curve, and then round it off right into the hip area. And then add a little curve right here just for some more detail in the feathers. And then right here, just like this area, we're just going to put in some detail just so that it looks like feathers. I'm just trying my best to follow the original, but without putting in too much detail. There. Okay, so then on this side, we're going to have it out, straight. So just like the other side, say about right here. I'm going to bring this in a little bit different because this hand is kind of going down this wing. And then so we're going to come out. It's going to be very long, almost to the floor. So say about right here. We're going to come out, like where the shirt is, and then start to come in to about right here. And for some details, zigzag and connect. So then for more detail, come to the back of another layer. So maybe here, and then let's see, about here, 2, and then curve it in just to give it some volume. And then once again, just like the other side, we're going to put in this pattern in here. So I'm going to lightly come in here. There. So hopefully that makes it look more like a wing and the feathers. And then before I forget, we need to draw the back too. So right here in the center, I'm going to lightly put in a line, zigzag the tail, and just pop this out here. There. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a heart. To make this my Draw So Cute Clutch the Bald Eagle from the FIFA 2026 World Cup. And then of course it's the US mascot, so that's why it's a bald eagle. And if you like, you can put in a soccer ball. So I'm going to put this right next to the foot. Try my best to draw a circle right here, right next to it. Okay, so there, I got my kind of circle. And then for a soccer ball, we need to draw this. I'll just make it a little bit easier. Like a pentagon shape, right? I'll put that one right in the center. And then it's going to extend out. And we'll just see parts of it, the other parts. So I'm just going to make it easier and just put angle lines going out. There. Okay, and I think that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Clutch the Bald Eagle. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and definitely look forward to the 2 other mascots that will be drawing very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.